up. So it's a lot of extra style work for the browsers to do. So better is normalization. The idea of normalization is instead of strip build back up, all it does is it looks at the different browsers and it says they're pretty much the same here and here and here and here. The only kind of things is 3/4 of them do this with the page padding, and you know, 1 or 2 do it this way. Let's make this one match these ones. So it gives you a common baseline. So if we look, take a quick look at this. So this is normalized CSS. If you just search for normalized CSS, you'll find it. And they have a very simple demo, and it's not earth-shattering because it's just normalizing everything. So it's saying if you have normalized CSS applied, it's just a CSS file, then any browser, this is how your headings will look. This is how everything, and it works through everything. Ordered lists, text areas, everything. Right, so it gives you a very common baseline. So yeah, that's been very helpful. I used resets for a long time, and I'm really happy to see these show up because otherwise you end up with a lot of CSS to build everything back up. Progressive enhancement. So in talking about, John, you're telling me not to support specific browsers, but there are specific browsers, and what's more, my boss told me we have to support this browser, or I'm, working on a finance or government or whatever. We need to support specific browsers. So the best way that I've found to do this is say, okay, what's kind of our main target, and shoot at something in the middle. So